Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the app and OS can use custom sounds. That avoids wasted steps. Once confirmed, open Settings and go straight to Apps or Notifications to find the app. You need to check and enable notification permission for that app so sound options are available. Make sure the phone can access storage or files if you plan to use an MP3 or custom tone. Doing this first prevents permission errors later and sets you up for the change. Now you navigate the app's notification categories or channels. Some apps separate message types, so pick the one you want to change. Tap Sound and you'll see built-in tones plus an option to add from files. Choose Add or Browse to import an MP3 or M4A. Once you select the file, Android or iOS will preview it, listen, then confirm. This assigns the sound to only that channel or category, so other apps remain unchanged. Finish by testing. Send a message or use the app's preview to confirm the new sound plays. If you don't hear it, make sure volume and do not disturb are off, then restart your phone and try again. Also verify the file format is supported. Convert to MP3/M4A if needed. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall the app. This resets notification metadata. One key tip: check notification categories again after updates, because app updates can revert custom sounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.